जो मैं नोटिस दिया था 267 पे उस 50 में मेरा तीसरा नंबर है
सर। वो टाइम से होता है सर, अदरवाइज यू आर नंबर 1 इन माय हार्ट सर, यू आर नंबर 1 इन माय हार्ट।
आई नो दैट योर हार्ट इज वेरी लार्ज बट दैट इज दैट साइड नॉट दिस साइड। ये heartless people, साहब,
well,
helping them.
Once again, for a change, leader of the house has a good point. Biologically, heart is on the left side. My heart is this side, sir.
No, that's why you always move like this. You always move like this. You never see
Sir,
this side. So your heart goes that
sir,
side only.
I can never score a point because you have a huge experience. I don't think anyone in the house can match it.
No, okay, sir. Thank you for your good
Sir,
words.
what's the point, sir?
मेरा पॉइंट यही है सर, देखिए जब इतने लोग, इतने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स 267 के तहत नोटिस सतत 4 दिन से देते आ रहे हैं और ऐसा ये पहली बार तो नहीं है। इस सदन में भी जब एनडीए सरकार थी, बीजेपी सरकार थी, 2016 में उन्होंने स्वीकार करके चर्चा को उन्होंने एक चांस दिया। फिर लोकसभा में भी अनेक, जब कांग्रेस पार्टी थी तो उस वक्त भी ऐसा दिया गया। लेकिन आज मणिपुर जल रहा है, रेप हो रहे हैं, मणिपुर में मकाना जला है और आप वहां मणिपुर की बात हम कर रहे हैं, मणिपुर की बात हम कर रहे हैं, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ईस्ट इंडिया की बात कर रहे हैं। हाँ, इंडिया मीन्स ईस्ट इंडिया बोल रहे हैं।
This is what the Supreme Court also said. I want to quote from those 4 lines in para 8 of that judgment, and I quote, sir, like the judiciary. In fact, वो एक कदम आगे गए और उन्होंने कहा चुनाव आयोग में और न्यायपालिका में कोई अंतर नहीं। And I quote, sir, para 8, like the judiciary, the Election Commission must display fearless independence in the absence of norms regarding the appointment. A central norm, that is institutional integrity, is adversely affected. An independent appointment mechanism would guarantee eschewing of even the prospect of bias. Sir, this is what the Supreme Court said. This is what the framers of the Constitution said. This is what this government is afraid of. I'm saying it with a sense of responsibility. For they don't want an independent election commission and CEC and EC. They want a pocket borough. उन्हें एक जेबी चुनाव आयोग की आवश्यकता है। ये कानून एक जेबी चुनाव आयोग का गठन करेगा। आप जेब से चुनाव आयोग निकालेंगे और जो आप चाहेंगे फिर वो प्रजातंत्र के साथ वो करेगा। इस कानून का फाइनल मतलब यही है सर। यू पिक और चूज का एक फॉर्मूला होगा। सर, मे आई रिस्पेक्टफुली ऑल्सो से सर that it does not pass any kind of constitutional muster. We have to be aware, this is an august house. After all, we have to be aware as to what we are doing and saying and what we are passing. This is manifestly arbitrary. These are ill-conceived attempts. This law is an ill-conceived attempt at consolidating undue executive control, total executive control over the electoral body, that is the Election Commission. It also, the process is arbitrary, the intent is malicious, and the result is disastrous, if I may say. That is what is going to happen, sir. And sir, I again take the liberty of last time quoting the Supreme Court where they said in para 119.
Before that, let me remind the honorable member.
Yes, sir.
With highest respect to everyone, the Parliament is the sole repository of lawmaking. And this is wisdom of the Parliament. Neither the executive, nor the judiciary, nor any other body.
So my time may be stopped.
No, I'm aware of that. Since majorly you are focused on Supreme Court judgment, as if the reflections therein have to bind us, I would expect the debate to rise to a very high level. Because, one second, because this House, this Parliament, to the exclusion of any other entity, be it executive or judiciary, is supreme when it comes to lawmaking, and you are part of it. Extra 30 seconds.
Thank you.
Go ahead.